Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and for today's video I'm gonna help all you last minute shoppers out there, and I have some amazing gift sets here for under $25. Watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also make sure you go ahead and click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified of all of my future videos, because you never want to miss a single upload. You also want to make sure you're following me on Instagram at Camellia Yvette, and also subscribe to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley Party of 6. Okay, so I got some fire for y'all today, alright? I wanted to bring you some gift sets. Obviously, it's the holiday time, so I am partnering with Look Fantastic in this video to bring you guys some gift sets under $25. Maybe you need to get something for your coworker, for the Secret Santa pool going on at work. I know we not all back at work, but you may be doing a virtual Secret Santa, or maybe you're doing something for your family, your sister, your brother, whatever. I have something for everyone, and everything that I will be showing will be 22% off when you use my discount code Camellia on Look Fantastic's website, so you definitely want to check them out. They have some amazing holiday gift sets, from fragrances to candles, skincare, makeup, all that stuff, and it's for men and women, so you can even shop on here for your boo thing if you want. So let's go ahead and jump into what I have. Alright, so I'm gonna get this out of the way first. This is the only thing that I have in this video that is over $25, okay? It's a little bit over $25, but it puts it very close to that $25 mark with the discount code that I am sharing with you. So this is the Nest Festive Petite Diffuser Trio. I love the Nest fragrances. They just smell so good. And so this is a diffuser trio. So diffusers just make your home smell so good. I've started using them lately. I got one from Joe Malone and my house smells so good. Okay, so good. But these are Nest holiday fragrances that this set comes with. So this one is in the fragrance Holiday. This one is in the fragrance Birchwood Pine, and this one is in the fragrance Spiced Orange and Clove. So you get three just gorgeous smelling holiday fragrances for your home. I like to clean my house and then let the diffusers go, and it just makes my house smell so good. So I love this little set. This is perfect for the fragrance lover in your life. This is perfect for your mom, your sister, your cousin. I mean, I just think this is such an amazing gift set, and the box is so luxe. Like, they don't think you spent like $100 on this when you didn't, okay? So I just love the box. I feel like when you wrap this up and somebody opens it, they're gonna be like, oh, you fancy, girl. That's what they're gonna say. I'm telling you, I'm trying to help you out. So I would definitely recommend this set. Now this one isn't a set, but it actually does come in a set on Look Fantastic's website. This is the L'Oreal Paris Men Expert Hydra Energetic Recharging Tissue Mask. And if your men in your life are like the men in my life, honey, sometimes you gotta give them a little nudge on their skincare, okay? So this is a really nice little mask that they can use to put some hydration back in their face. Like I said, they do have a set on their website. I'm gonna make sure all of this stuff is linked down below as well, so you guys can check it out really easily. But I think something like this is so great. This is also a nice little stocking stuffer if you just wanna stuff something in somebody's stocking and you like, here, you need to help your face out, get your skin together. This is such a great option. Now, I've talked to you guys about this brand on my channel before. This is the Skin Iceland Skin Hangover Kit. Now this comes with the Relief Eye Pen, which helps to bring down dark circles or any puffiness or anything like that. Also comes with the firming eye gels, the cooling firming eye gels, which I love those so much. The Antidote Cooling Daily Lotion, and then it also comes with the Fresh Start Face Mask. So this is just a nice little kit you can take for travel. You know what, if you plan on having some long nights or anything like that, maybe over the holidays, you can stuff this in your bag, take it for travel. I know we're not doing a lot of traveling, but you know, something like this is very helpful for those days where you just need a little boost. This is something that I can appreciate now. This is the Sema Sonic Facial Exfoliation and Hair Removal System. So you know your girl has a beard, you know what I'm saying? I get rid of it, but you know I have a beard. Now this is actually a hair removal device. It's actually a dermaplaning tool. So not only does it remove hair, but it also helps you remove dead skin and just helps really your makeup and your skincare just go on a lot smoother. This one actually isn't battery operated either like the one I have. This one is rechargeable, which is very, very nice because you don't have to fuss around with batteries or anything like that. It also comes with the replaceable blades as well. It says it comes with 7 weekly treatments and it's for all skin types. And I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to start using this. These exfoliation tools really, really work on your skin. My makeup goes on so smooth after I do these dermaplaning treatments. And this one is in a really cute like minty green color. Alright, let's keep the party going with some skincare here. I do have a skincare duo by DHC. This is the Tokyo Double Cleanse Set, and it comes with the deep cleansing oil, and then it also comes with the face wash powder face cleanser. I love me a good face powder cleanser. They have one in Dermalogica. Dermalogica has one and it was like one of my favorite skincare products ever. And it's just so expensive, so I haven't repurchased it, but I'm so happy to start using this. So how you use this set is you use the cleansing oil first to really get all of the makeup or anything like that, really break down any of the oil barriers or anything on your face, and then you go in with the powder cleanser afterwards. So again, if you know someone who's really into skincare or you just want to give somebody a little nudge who may need to be into skincare, this is such a great option. My last 2 products are actually makeup products. So I grabbed the Kitten Bliss eye and lip set. If you know anything about Stila brand, then you know that Kitten is like their iconic color. So they have it in a lip shade, they have it in an eyeshadow, it's like in everything. So this comes with this is one of those liquid glittery eyeshadows, and then it comes in a powder eyeshadow form, and then it also comes in a lip gloss. So this is such a great gift. Again, another good stocking stuffer, something you can just hand to somebody as, you know, maybe you forgot to get them a gift and you like, ooh girl, I'm gonna wrap this up. They're gonna love this. Kitten is such an iconic shade in the makeup world. They're gonna love this. And last but not least, I did get a little set from Kevyn Aucoin. This is the Kaleido Cream Foil Trio. So these are eyeshadow colors, and obviously we all know Kevyn Aucoin is such an amazing brand, but this is a nice eyeshadow trio that you can gift to someone. These are liquid eyeshadows, and these are so amazing because you can literally roll these on your eye and go out the door. You don't have to do a full eye look. This is something that really does make putting on your makeup very, very easy and very, very quick. So I love this little set. They come in little cute minis, which you guys know are like my favorites. I love little minis. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging so you can actually see the colors, but this is what they look like right here. So this one is in Euphoric right there. This one is in Millennium. And then this one is in Blazed Up. Gorgeous shades, especially for this time of year. Alright y'all, so those are all the holiday sets that I picked up. I hope those ideas were helpful for you for those last minute gifts. Don't forget, I do have a discount code for you. 22% off of Look Fantastic's website. Works on those products and a whole lot of others on their site. So make sure you head over there and check them out. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye you guys.